Hi, nieces and nephews. Welcome back to Auntie Nell's Kitchen. And to my new nieces and nephews, welcome, welcome, welcome. And I thank you all for your love and support to my channel. Thank you guys. I really appreciate the supers and, just all the motivational quotes and inspirations. I really appreciate everything. Today, we are going to be making carne asada. It's a Mexican dish. Sometimes they serve it on French fries, and sometimes, you could put it in a taco boat. So I'm going to do some French fries and a taco boat, okay? So if you give me a moment, I will be right back, and I'll show you everything that you need so you can make it too. To start the show, this is 4 pounds of bottom round steak because not a flank steak fan. So most people use flank steak, but I don't use flank steak because I don't care for flank steak. But you can use flank steak. You can use any rib to me, any kind of beef you want. Okay? You're going to need 1 orange, 1 lime, 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, 1 small cut up onion, and 1 bunch of cilantro, and chop it up. But I bought this pre-chopped in the little organic section. And now we're going to move on to our dry ingredients. We're going to be using 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin. I use 3 teaspoons of Chipotle chili powder. The girl loves Chipotle flavor. Okay. 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. And this is it. These are our dry ingredients. You're going to use a 1/2 cup of, you can use olive oil or vegetable oils, whatever you want to use. I use a lot of olive oil. And 2 teaspoons of white distilled vinegar. 2 tablespoons of white distilled vinegar. This is my tablespoon cup. Okay, now we're going to take our dry ingredients and dump them all in here. Yep. I'm going to go ahead and squeeze my orange. No, it's a seedless. Housekeeping. I think I get more juice out of it when I split it. Lime. Squeeze our lime in. And we're going to add our garlic and our onions and our cilantro. And we're going to mix all this together. And you're going to mix all that together. Sometimes I like my little onions a little. Sometimes, when I look at them, I'm like, no, that's too long for me. That's just my personal thing. Make sure all your seasonings are in through here. Okay, now you guys know how I am. I like marinating my things in Ziploc bags because I think it just gets that seasoning a really good because it's all tied together. Okay, I got the meat in here. Now I like to add my liquid last because that way it's in this bag and I won't lose any of that goodness moving from the bowl to a bag. And what I'm going to do is mushy, get all this all saturated. Yeah, this is all I do because to me this works out better for me. Okay, and I'm going to put this in a bowl and put this in the fridge for I'm going to put this in the fridge for 2 hours, okay? And I will see you good nieces and nephews in a little bit. For me, it'll be 2 hours. For you, it'll be like that, okay? Okay, our meat has marinated, really it's marinated 2 hours and 15 minutes. So it's got extra flavor. Okay, so I've already put you can use any kind of fry you want. I've already put some fries in the air fryer. I'm not going to deep fry them. And okay, and I'm going to get my fire started. Gonna put that, get my fire started, and I'm going to take all of this goodness and pour it in here as soon as my pan gets hot, okay? All right, so let's get this party started. I'm gonna just take all this and just hot people over there. Turn my heat down some. Smells really good. So I'm going to leave this, let this be while it cooks on the bottom, and I'll be right back. See, the meat is getting a beautiful color. It's not done yet though. It's not done yet, nieces and nephews. Oh, there's a big piece I didn't cut. That's okay. That means more. Our meat is done. Got some char to it. Yum, yum, yum. So I'm going to turn this off. And we're going to get our fries and stuff together. Okay, I got my fries down first. And I'm going to top that with some cheese. A little more cheese, and I'm going to spoon some of this meat on here, this carne asada. Yum yum. Spoon some of that on here. And I'm going to top it with another layer of cheese. Put some more meat on top of that. Yes, yum, yum, yum. So now sprinkle a little more, like a 3-layer cheese. We're going to add some sour cream. gonna add some sour cream. Here's our sour cream. If you like more, you can put more. A little guacamole. I like this guacamole. This is by Publix. I like theirs. And here we are. Here is our Carne Asada fries. Now, if you were going to make a boat, let's get that started. If I was going to make a boat, what I would do, I would put cheese down first. Put some cheese down first. Add some cheese on top. Now I would pop this in the microwave and melt the cheese. And I put a little more meat on top. Because these are boats. They're small. Some people probably can eat 2 or 3 of them. And same thing, add a little sour cream. And add a little bit of guac. Ooh. And here's our boat. And here are Carne Asada fries. This is my version of a Carne Asada boat. And I can put those right there. Now, what I made to drink was, let me get my glass. I took that with the extra lime juice I had and added it with some lemon juice. Hold on. Yep, I took the what was left of the lime juice that I had left over, because I'm prepping for another dish. And so I just added some, and I added a lemon to it. And I added a lemon and some Splenda, but you can use sugar. And doesn't that look refreshing? Okay. So, yeah, I have on my apron, it says Fiesta. All right, here we are. Good. The Carne Asada fries and the Carne Asada boat. We have our refreshing lime juice, lemon. Well, it's lemon lime. I have more lime than anything. So, and that looks really refreshing. Thank you guys for hanging out with me in the kitchen today. Our auntie really appreciates it. Appreciate. Well, you know what I mean. So anyway, guys, thank you for all your support to my channel. Go be you, but be great being you. And hugs and kisses to each of you. I love you guys. See you later. Bye.